Hi, my warmest greetings from Barcelona. Today's topic is emphasizing the focal point in composition by the contrast of surrounding. In previous videos, we tried to find out how to emphasize the focal point by contrast of size. Here are elements, and one of them is of different size. And we tried to create focal point by inversion. In our composition, one of the elements was different because it had an accent, and accent by itself worked as inversion of small elements. So contrast of inversion is working option 2. But we have one more method to create a focal point to accentuate it without removing all the elements of definite size except one, and without making this kind of accent. So let's try. Let's see how it can be done. In this composition, we have all the elements of three sizes, and we have more than one element of each size. So it has to be something like we don't have any focal point here, but we have here area of background, which is different from all the rest of the areas of background. This area of background is surrounded by elements of composition. And this surrounding makes this area very, very special. You don't see any area like this in all the composition. Among the areas of background, this area of background is very special. All the rest of the areas of background, they are close to the frame. All the rest of the areas of background are not accentuated. Only one. This option very often may be seen in different artworks. The focal point here is somewhere in the middle of the figure, which is created by joining the centers of the surrounding spots. So it has to be somewhere here. Focal point is a kind of a center of balance. It is as if we pinned this element to make it be balanced around this pin. So if we join the centers of element, we get as a result kind of a new element, and this element is a focal point of this composition. So it is a working option to create a focal point by allotting part of background by surrounding elements. In time, I am creating new videos in composition. You can take a look at my book, Composition in Painting, Basics and Examples. There is a link in the description below the video. We finish for now. Don't forget to subscribe, to give likes, and I'll be happy to read your comments. Have a good time. See you soon.